Give me 3. All right, on this one we're going to do something interesting. Everybody on the right side, my side of the raft, we're going to paddle backwards. Everybody on the left side is going to paddle forwards. We're going to spin down the eddy line, kind of like that. Actual results may vary. Go! You gotta paddle backwards to get on the right. Relax. You're gonna go back on the right side and forward on the left. The raft will spin around. Kind of like that one. Works better if everybody on the right side remembers to paddle backwards. My last trip, somebody paddled forwards on the right side, which is kind of silly. Back on the right, forward on the left, go! Oh no! Forward 2. Side raft, I want you to paddle backwards, left side forward, go! Oh no! Give me 2! Here comes Humpty Dumpty. We're gonna go right over it. Give me 1! Give me 2 more! Well, there's only 3 rapids left.